We got a long time till Christmas for how many days?
5.
Wrong.
50.
Wrong.
500.
Wrong. Isn't a half of a day.
That's exactly right. Only a half of a day till Christmas.
Sigh nothing. Relax. Dad writing down that what was? He has a rose flower holding on his hand.
Yes. I have it. Why not you have it?
Really? Wow. Rose flowers have the same color as your hair and your shell, and I know that Amy Rose like roses, even though her last name is Rose. Anyways, thanks.
You're welcome, but anyways, yeah I know. Rose are flowers, and they kind of red, I think. If you think that Amy Rose like roses, why not you ask Amy?
Okay, but maybe later.
Okay.
Well, all the elements are named after, whether it's Greek, Japanese, or any other language.
Okay then.
Well, can you please tell me what the elements named after?
Sure. The periodic table of elements are named after, whether it's Greek, Spanish, German, Japanese, English, Russian, Latin, Swedish, Arabic, Anglo-Saxon, Norse, Gaelic, or none. There's a lot of them like.
Wait. I know all of the atomic number, the element's name, the atomic mass, everything on the periodic table.
Oh.
Okay. I'll be in touch if you remember them.
Well, Ray, all the elements are named after.
Okay. There are currently 118 elements on the periodic table right now, but what does all of these elements on the periodic table are named after?
Hydrogen was named after hydrogen meaning water forming. Helium was named after Helios meaning sun. Lithium was named after lithus meaning stone. Beryllium was named after beryl. Boron was named after borac. Carbon was named after carbos meaning charcoal. Nitrogen was named after nitrogen meaning niter forming. Oxygen was named after oxygen meaning acid forming. Fluorine was named after fluoros meaning to flow. Neon was named after neos meaning new. Sodium was named after soda. Magnesium was named after magnesia. Aluminum's named after bitter salt. Silicon was named after silex meaning flint. Phosphorus was named after phosphoros meaning carrying light. Sulfur was named after sulfur meaning brimstone. Chlorine was named after chlorus meaning greenish yellow. Argon was named after argos meaning idle. Potassium was named after potassium meaning potash. Calcium was named after car meaning lime. Scandium was named after Scandia meaning Scandinavia. Titanium was named after Titans. Vanadium's named after vanadias. Chromium's named after chroma meaning color. Manganese is named after negra. Iron was named after iron. Cobalt's named after cobalt meaning goblin. Nickel was named after nickel meaning devil's copper. Copper's named after from Cyprus. Zinc's named after zinc. Gallium's named after gallium meaning gall. Germanium's named after Germany. Arsenic's named after Arsenkos. Selenium's named after Selene meaning moon. Bromine's named after bromos meaning stench. Krypton's named after kryptos meaning hidden. Rubidium's named after rubidus meaning deepest red. Strontium's named after strontian. Yttrium, terbium and terbium were all named after Ytterbi. Zirconium's named after zargon meaning gold-colored. Niobium's named after niobe. Molybdenum's named after molybdos meaning lead. Technetium's named after technetos meaning artificial. Ruthenium's named after ruthenia. Rhodium's named after rhodos meaning rose-colored. Palladium's named after Pallas. Silver's named after sulfur. Cadmium's named after cadmium meaning calamine. Indium's named after indigo. Tin's named after tin. Antimony's named after antimonos meaning not alone. Tellurium's named after tellus meaning earth. Iodine's named after iodar ioides meaning violet. Xenon's named after xenos meaning strange. Cesium's named after cesius meaning sky blue. Barium's named after baras meaning heavy. Lanthanum's named after lanthanain meaning to lie hidden. Cerium's named after Ceres. Praseodymium's named after Presios didymos meaning green twin. Neodymium's named after Neos didymos meaning new twin. Promethium's named after Prometheus. Samarium's named after Samaskite which is a minor. Europium's named after Europe. Gadolinium's named after Johann Gadolin. Dysprosium's named after Dysprositos meaning hard to get. Holmium's named after Holmia meaning Stockholm. Thulium's named after Tula. Lutetium's named after Lutetia meaning Paris. Hafnium's named after Hafnia meaning Copenhagen. Tantalum's named after Tantalus. Tungsten's named after tungsten meaning heavy stone. Rhenium's named after Rhenus meaning Rhine. Osmium's named after osm meaning smell. Iridium's named after iris. Platinum's named after platinum meaning little silver. Gold's named after gold. Mercury's named after the first planet, Mercury. Thallium's named after Thallios meaning green twig. Lead's named after lead. Bismuth's named after bismuth meaning white mass. Polonium's named after Poland. Astatine's named after Astatinos meaning unstable. Radon's named after radium. Francium's named after France. Radium and actinium's both named after Ray, which was your name. Thorium's named after Thor. Protactinium's named after Protos meaning first. Uranium's named after Uranus. Neptunium's named after Neptune. Plutonium's named after Pluto. Americium's named after America. Curium's named after Marie and Pierre Curie. Berkelium's named after Berkeley. Californium's named after California. Einsteinium's named after Albert Einstein. Fermium's named after Enrico Fermi. Mendelevium's named after Dmitri Mendeleev. Nobelium's named after Alfred Nobel. Lawrencium's named after Ernest Lawrence. Rutherfordium's named after Ernest Rutherford. Dubnium's named after Dubner. Seaborgium's named after Glenn T. Seaborg. Borium's named after Niels Bohr. Hassium's named after Hasse. Meitnerium's named after Lisa Meitner. Darmstadtium's named after Darmstadt. Röntgenium's named after Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Copernicum's named after Nicolaus Copernicus. Nionium was named after Neon, and Japanese word for Japan. Flerovium's named after George Flyorov. Moscovium's named after Moscow, which is the capital of Russia. Livermorium's named after Livermore. Tennessean's named after Tennessee. And Oganesson was named after Yuri Oganessian, which is a physicist who was born in April 14, 1933, and continues his life until his death in the future. He's currently 84 right now.
Oh, so you do remember them?
Well, Iggy tells me the origin of elements.
Really? Oh.
Yep. All of them. The elements are Spanish, is platinum. German, nickel, copper, bismuth, Darmstadtime, and zinc. Arabic, are boron and zirconium. Japanese, is nihonium. English, are sodium, potassium, rhopium, polonium, francium, americium, berkelium, californium, livermorium, and tennessinium. Greek, are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, nitrogen, oxygen, neon, magnesium, phosphorus, chlorine, argon, titanium, chromium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, rhodium, palladium, antimony, iodine, xenon, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, dysprosium, thulium, tantalum, osmium, iridium, thallium, estating, actinium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, and plutonium. Latin, are carbon, fluorine, aluminum, silicon, sulfur, calcium, scandium, manganese, copper, gallium, germanium, iridium, ruthenium, cadmium, indium, tellurium, cesium, lutetium, hafnium, rhenium, mercury, radon, and radium. Swedish, yttrium, terbium, erbium, ytterbium, and tungsten. Russian, deuterium, samarium, and moscovium. Gaelic, is strontium. Norse, are vanadium, and thorium, and Anglo-Saxon, are iron, lead, silver, gold, and tin while gadolinium, cream, einsteinium, fermium, niobium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, seaborgium, barium, meitnerium, röntgenium, copernicium, flavium, and agonism didn't have languages. They are all named after persons in history. Anyways, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Good.
Let's wait for more hours.
Okay.
Oh wait. I got an even better idea. How about we'll do some jokes while it's Christmas Eve?
Okay.
You know it's also called riddles.
Whoa, ouch.
Oh dear. He tripped.
No. I didn't trip on anything, but I'm okay.
Sigh.